You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all this word. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, including more partners, stay tuned, I've got many more videos. It's pronounced in English as bigamy. The meaning essentially is when you have the offense of marrying someone while already married to another person. When you have two partners, essentially. Bigamy. The stress is on the first syllable. Bigamy, not bigamy. Bigamy. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.